Guys, wonderful. Welcome to our live trading session with funded accounts here on SabioTrade. It's me, Markus from Know How Trading. And in behalf of SabioTrade, of course, and I'm really glad that we can do this cooperation. It's really excited to have one of the best prop trading companies around the world. And myself, 26 years experience. I do trading for a living for 26 years now. And I'm really glad to welcome you here for the next, I would say around 45 minutes to dive deep into the market and do real trading. Not only scamming, not only fantasy bullshit, something like that. Now we want to do real trading. So maybe you can type in the chat box a little bit. Are you here? Can you hear me? Where are you from? Let me hear. And you can type in the chat box a little bit if you want. And then I can give you answers. UK, great. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ladies and gentlemen, then please let's make entertainment here. Forex Striker, thank you very much. Thanks for being here. I'm really good. A little bit of cold, but doesn't matter. We want to fight for our money. And today I want to give you a little bit glance what we do in the future and how you can complete all challenges on SabioTrade and to make real money, not with high risk, not with just all time, all in, something like that. No, we want to do real trading, like serious traders every day doing around the world. Poland, greeting Tomasz, nice to see you here also. So let me share my screen with you and then we start. Oh, here we go, live training. Wonderful. Tomek, great. So let's see. Today, market is open. You know, we have a little bit time difference between Europe and USA. So the market opens already at 2:30. Mr. Singh Piyush, here we go. Great to see you. Hello. Nice to have you here. So let's see. And I want to give you a quote of the day. In trading, you must behave like an idiot. This is not a personal insulting. It's just really, really, how should I say, a principle. In trading, you must behave like an idiot. Why? Once you understand that trading is a mathematical zero-sum game, you know you have to do all the time the same. The strategy is given in trading, which means buy cheap, sell expensive, vice versa if you go short. And then you need rules to follow this strategy, where to go in, where to go out. And then we have the Holy Trinity. I don't want to go too deep in this stuff. This is more education. You can look at the YouTube channel of SabioTrade. There you will find many videos from me. And in the pro version also, I will come back to this at the end. But there's the Holy Trinity of trading. You know, the Holy Trinity means money management is the godfather of trading. Without money management, you don't need anything. Yeah, Kimras, nice to see you. Thank you for coming by. So money management, then trade management. Yeah, when I should go out of trading, of my trade, and then of course the rules. So Abdul from Nigeria, greetings to Nigeria. Nice to have you here. So that's the Holy Trinity of trading. And let's go to the market, and I want to show you how the DAO community, the DAO family, is trading every day from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. in the evening, and how all my students complete all challenges and come to real money here on SabioTrade. So first of all, you are responsible for your own trading. From India, great, Mirabai, great to see you here, have you. I'm working also in Asia, by the way. I have an office in Bangkok. I go back to Bangkok end of January because we build up there trading also with a logical approach, yeah, trading with logic. This is related to my name, Markus. Trading with logic, not with emotions, with logic, controlled emotions. But basically, you are responsible for your own trading, yeah? And we go into live trading, exactly. We're going to live trading, and I'll show you how it's really working, yeah? So before let's come now to this, and we jump. Here we go. So I have 3 charts open. Basically, this is my own private platform. It's Agena Trader. And you see I have 1 minute chart, 5 minute charts open. And up to next week, we start with 2 minute charts because I open a signal service up to next week or in 2 weeks, I don't know. Then you get it on your phone and you can put it into the Sabio platform and just copy paste. So, but actually in my Dow family, we trade 1 minute chart. So you see Euro, British pound, Euro dollar, British pound, US dollar, and German index, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and of course gold. So, and we start always in the morning at 7 a.m. And you see, that's the plus and that's the minus trade. So now first of all, you need to understand what kind of rules do we have. Yeah. And let's focus today on Euro US dollar. And in Euro US dollar, actually today we had 2 plus trades and 3 minus trades. So, and in British pound US dollar, actually today we had 1 minus and 1 plus trades so far. But I want to show you, give time a little bit, I show you all the numbers because we don't work with any backtest, we do just live trading and every trade is documented, which means we have an Excel file and then you can see the real numbers. We do this for many weeks already, yeah? So, and then let's see what's going on. But first of all, you need to see the rules. Which kind of rules do we have? I show you, and that's our strategy. So the strategy is trend following. So the idea is buy cheap and sell expensive. This is the given strategy in trading. And we need rules. When shall we buy and when shall we sell? So, but for every approach, sorry. For every approach, whatever you do in trading, ladies and gentlemen, you need a mathematical calculation. You need an edge. You need a mathematical edge, which means that's the hit quote or the probability. Yeah. And you need a probability number on your side higher than 50%. So, and that means, for example, that you understand. So again, you don't need to find a new strategy. Don't look on YouTube, just follow trend following. Yeah, that's the most important part. So sell or buy gold, give it a little bit time. First of all, Babita, what time frame? Yeah, if you ask a question, just sell or buy gold. What is this for a stupid question? Yeah, what kind of trader are you? You have any clue what are you doing in the market, or do you just buy your feelings? First of all, what market, what time frame? Yeah, so just think about it. Yeah, just think about it, and then we can talk about. And then what kind of rules do you have? So that's the trend following rules, and that means if we buy cheap, and we sell expensive, then we have a probability of round about 70%. So that's a clear approach, yeah, trend following. And all markets working in trends, all markets working in trends. So now that you know that you find exactly the appointment or the point where you go in, you need rules. So, and that's the rules. 4 magic rules. Simple, really, really simple. You don't need any candlestick patterns or something like that. Change your Sabio on Heikin Ashi. I show you the next minute. So rule number 1, we need a valid trend. A valid trend consists a move, a correction, and a second move. This is a valid trend. Yeah. So rule number 2, entry in trend arm number 2. If you have the second correction, price turns around, then there is your entry point. The correction has to correct at least at 38%. So if the price turns around, at least that's 100%, at least 38%. And then rule number 4, waiting for Heikin Ashi balance candle. A balance candle means it's a little bit, it looks like a doji. Yeah. A doji means, okay, just a body in the middle and shadows on the upper and the lower side, at least as double as the body. Yeah. So waiting for that and then go. That's all. Nothing else. No indicators. Nothing else. Really, no indicators. Just you and the chart. You have to learn how to draw the trend and then it's working. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. And let's go. You asked me about 5-minute chart for gold. So this is gold. Look at this one. Yesterday, we had 3 signals. 3 signals, 2 minus, 1 plus. Today, nothing. Why is it? I show you. Let's see gold. No, come on. So, let's see. Here we go. There is gold. So gold, let's see in 5-minute chart. And then you switch here to chart type to Heikin Ashi. And yeah, that's all. So now you have 5-minute and this is gold price. So guys, the question is not buy or sell gold. The question is, what's about the rules? Yeah, what's about the rules? So let's see. And you see, this is an old uptrend. Look, the uptrend in 5-minute, it starts already. Here we go. Yesterday, 10:30. Yesterday, 10:30. Here we go. 25, no, 28. Here we go. 5-minute. Here we go. There, look, there starts the trend yesterday. I show you how to draw the trend. And where was the cool signal? So go here to graphic tools and then line. So we start here at the deepest point. So let me give you a green color and make it as thick as possible. So, and then we can clone it. So that's the first trend arm, you know, that's the first trend arm. It was yesterday. If you ask me about gold, it was yesterday, deepest point. First move, first correction. Yeah. So clone it. And here we go. There is the second trend arm. There is your second trend arm. At that moment, the trend was valid. Yeah. Now just let me check in between if you can do a live trade. In euro dollar, we have trend arm number 4 right now. Actually, nothing. British pound. Oh, yeah. In British pound, there's a trade. Here we go. Let's see. Let's go back. You want to see live trading. So I come back to gold. Just give me. So exactly. So look what happens here. 1-minute chart. 1 minute chart. So there is my trend. So I have to set the pending order right now. My set a loss. Loss is below the last 0.3, which is here, 129.72. 129.72. Yeah. So, and then let's see, we can risk $200. 100, 200, lose 100,000. So, and we close at the profit, price, distance, same 1 and 1. I will explain you a little bit later. So, and place the order. Oh, here we go. There is the first live trade here right now in British pound. I will explain you later because you want to see live trading, right? I promise you today we do live trading. And if I understand Sabio right, we want to do this every 2 weeks. Next week we do it in the morning and we see main trading sessions. Okay, let's come back to gold. So you see that was a very first trend arm. So here we go. Then the price went down without breaking the trend here. So you see we had 100% correction. Now we are in. Trade is running. So you see trade is running. Let's see. So, and you see that was in the afternoon, yesterday afternoon. So, and there was your entry. Yeah. Come back again to the rules. Look, I show you again. So that's the rules. We have a valid trend. We are in the correction. And then the probability that the trend will continue is around about 70%. And that's the rules. A valid trend, an entry in the second trend arm, the correction has to run at least 38. The deeper, the better. Yeah. And then we are waiting for a balance candle. Yeah. So of course, yeah, the correction was, let's see, Fibonacci lines starting here. So you see there we had 38%. Yeah, there we had 38%. And now you will realize why we had yesterday in gold one loss first, and then we come to the next profit. So we had an entry roundabout there. That was the first entry point. You can see this. Let me. Yeah. Here we go. There was the correction. You see, deeper than 38%. So which means there was the first entry. And there was your balance candle. There was the balance candle. There was the entry here roundabout. So the stop loss is always below the last 0.3, always below the last correction point, which means we had to set the stop loss, the stop there. So, and then you see, okay, the price went down and there was a loss. But interestingly, as you can see a little bit, they catch the stops there. Yeah, but doesn't matter. It's just a mathematical strategy. Yeah, don't care about that, because important is that the trend didn't break, which means we had to make a re-entry. Stop loss. The trend didn't break, and that means, okay, we can delete this. That means, cool, there was in the evening around about a new entry. Yeah, there was a new entry. So, and then where was the target? It's always the same. And this is what we are doing here right now. Let's see about here. Don't worry. Now we have the stop loss there. And you see, it's the same. We make a ratio in this day trading system 1 and 1. Stop loss, target 1 and 1. Why is it? So you remember You remember we have the probability of around about 70%, which means if you get 10 signals, round about 7 going to the profit and 3 don't. So how is this working here? It's really simple. First of all, we need to know how we have to determining the optimal risk per trade. So as you know, we can risk daily 3% and maximum drawdown 6%. And that means if we risk 0.2%, we can have 15 losing trades in a row. We will never have, never ever. I show you. We will never ever have. Look, we have 2, for example, that's 5 minutes. Let's see in 1 minute chart. Yeah. So let's see. You see, we have 1, 2, 3 in a row, then a plus trade. 1, 2, then a plus trade. Yeah, it's always the same. Look, last week British pound US dollar we had 2, 4, 4 plus, 1 minus. Yeah. So in this trading system, this simple trend following system, ladies and gentlemen, you will never ever have 15 losing trades in a row, or worse, 13 losing trades in a row. Never ever. You cannot. If you stick to the rules, you will never ever risk your money. You will never ever crash your assessment. This is how trading is working. Yeah. So, and then so the point is, look at this one. If we don't need, look, we don't need a profit loss of 2-1. Why? Because the win rate is not 50-50. We have a win rate of 70%. And let's say we go a little bit slower, we have 65%. So look at this one. We have 65%. Yeah. And that's the point why we just need a smaller target, because we have the probability on my side. And I prove it because we have an Excel file. We do everything that you can make money with trading. Yeah. So our win rate is 65. It's indeed a little bit higher, 67 roundabout. But let's say 65. That means if you have 10 signals, round about 6.5 going to profit and 3.5 going to loss. And that's the reason why you don't need a profit loss of 2 and 1. It's enough 1 and 1. Look, this is what we do here right now. Look with this one, British pound US dollar. We risk $199 and the profit is also around about 195, 1 and 1. This is what we are doing here right now. Yeah, you don't need more because you have a probability of 70% because you know what you do in trading. If you follow me, then you have a great chance. So that means if you do 5 trades a day as a day trader, yeah, and very soon we're starting with my on Dow How trading with my signal service, which means you get your signals on your phone and you can transfer it to the app of SabioTrade. Just put the numbers in and the rest is market. Let's say we have 5 trades a day. We have 65 win rate and we just risk 0.2%. That means we have around about 100 trades a day, a month. So, and now it's just mathematical calculation. Yeah. We have profitable trades 110, 65%, 72 trades, and 38 in a loss. That means we have a month 44%, a loss 76, a net profit of 6.8 per month. And that means, guys, you just need run about 1.5 months to complete the challenge on SabioTrade. And now think about it. Now we come to the real story. If you know that you will never have 15 losses in a row, which number you can change? Of course, the profit per trade, your risk. You can go up a little bit higher. Let's say you risk 0.5. You will never have 15 losses in a row. which means if you risk the double, then you will have maybe 7 in a row. You will never have, never ever, because it's 70% risk, 70% win rate. That's the logic. Do you understand why I say trading is pure logic? Yeah. So forget all the rest. Trading is math. Trading is logic. And logic is the only way, the only path who will lead you out of the circle of suffering of trading. The only way. The only way. Believe me. And we do this every single day. So let's say you risk 0.5%. Then you will complete your challenge. If you risk 0.5, then you will complete your challenge in less than 1 month. And then you come to real trading. How does that sound for you? Guys, this is trading. This is not gambling. This is logic. But it's your job to learn how to draw the trend and to learn to do real trading, guys. Yeah. So, okay. So the price is going down. Yeah, maybe we will lose this trade. Who cares? This is just one. Yeah. Because in British pound, US dollar, today we had already, yeah, this is number 3. Today we had 1 profit and 1 loss. So come back a little bit. We forget this. We come back to gold. And you see there was the entry. So, and then you see how quick you can make money. So the stop loss is there. And the same distance between your entry 1-in-1 ratio, the same distance is your target. And you see, a little bit later, you reached your target. So which means the first stop loss is equalized here. Yeah? So, and now let's go on that we see if we can sell or buy gold. Let's draw the trend. Let's go further. Here we go. That's the next trend arm. Let's copy this. Then we have the next correction going to the deepest point, which is there. Then the next up move, which is there. Trend arm number 3. Thank you. Press the like button if you just like it. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I just want that you make money. Yeah. I don't want to sell you any illusions. I want to help you to become successful. You should know about me. I'm sorry. I work since many years. I have also 4 teachers. Yeah, because you cannot learn trading without a teacher. This is not possible. One of my trader is my spiritual trader, mentor. He taught me logic. And I work with karmic principles. Karmic. You know karma? Everything what you do comes back to you. Small little seeds, big results. So what I'm doing is to bring you good things. I show you one of the real ways how to become successful. That's why I so engaged in my trading and why I do these shows here, that you learn a way, not gambling, not any other bullshit, just really, really trading and how to make trading for a living. And now imagine what you can do for your family if you learn how to trade with me together. Yeah. So let's do the next. You see, it's important how to learn to draw the trend because it's logic. It's logic. So then there is the next deepest point, I guess, here. So, and then it's going up there. It's going up there. So now we come back to your question. Shall we sell or buy gold? Nothing. Nothing. Because we are in trend arm number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's trend arm number 6. Do you remember the rules? Look. Where is it? Do you remember the rules? Entry in trend arm number 2. We made already money. So the question is not, shall we sell or buy gold? The question is, where are my rules? That's the question. And then you don't have to ask again, shall I buy gold or sell gold? No. Do you have the rules or not? So, and in trading, we made already. So here we go. We made already here money. Yeah. We had already one loss, one profit, done. And now we are waiting for the next second trend arm. Yeah. We are waiting for the next second trend arm. No more, no less. That's all what you have to do. So find, and this is another question and another point. Don't mix the markets. I teach my students one market, one product, one market, one account, and one time frame. Never ever, the law of probability cannot work if you trade on one account with different products or in different time frames. It will never work for you. You will never become successful with that. Believe me. Very, very important. So how you can do this? It's simple. You can go to your platform, yeah, and then of course you can go to the pro assessment. Go to SabioTrade and order this pro assessment, and then you get with the 3 accounts at the same time, or maybe I guess 12, yeah, whatever, yeah. So you see my account, one of my account, I'm in profit. I started with 50,000. I'm at 53,000 now. I'm really close to complete my challenge. And I have many things to do. I trade in 5-minute charts. Yeah. So, and that's the point. And then you can have one product, one time frame, and one account. And then you can be focused on one. And then you can maybe have 3 open accounts, 3 products, and maybe 3 same time frames or whatever. Yeah. So let's go back. Here we go. Which one was it? I guess this one was it. Yeah, here we go. So actually, this is gold. Yeah. So now British pound is still running, actually, and now I draw you the trend, guys. I draw you the trend that you know why we are long here. Yeah. This is 1 minute, British pound, British pound USD. Yeah. So why is it? I have to check it in my 1 minute chart that I see it. Yeah, that was here, 1419. 1419. 1 minute chart. So, yeah, here we go. we start to draw the trend here. So that was the first trend arm. We are long. Let's give it in green. So then the first trend arm is completed here with this small correction. Change of color, Heikinashi simple. Then we had the second trend arm. Going up there. So here we go. That's my second trend arm. So there was no trend continuation there. And now you see, since that we are in trend arm number 2. We are in trend arm number 2. So my stop loss is below my last 0.3 because below that correction point there, the trend will break. And the stop loss, ladies and gentlemen, the stop loss protects the trading idea, not your account. Your account is protected by your money management. Yeah, that's very, very important. Don't mix it. The stop loss should protect the trading idea. Your money management, how much you risk, and what's your quote, yeah, about your rules. That is what protects your account. Don't mix it. Yeah. So the stop loss is always below the last 0.3. So normally, as you can see in my community, we started the trade a little bit earlier. Yeah. But now we are live trading. We started it already here. Yeah. No problem. So we started here, but now the price came back and we had a second chance. Yeah. So, and now, what do you think what we shall do right now? I tell you what we shall do. Nothing. Exactly. Absolutely nothing. Because there are two chances. First chance, the price is going to the stop loss. Who cares? We have a probability game, not a guarantee. Did we do something wrong? No, we did our job. The market decides about the single trade. Don't mix it. We have the law of probability, but the probability says it's just around about 70%. Do you hear 100? No, you hear 70% and not 100, which means if you have 70%, you have 30%, which is not working. And the law of coincidence means, you know, if you have 10 signals, then you will have 7 profits and 3 losses. But the law of probability also means that you don't know in which order the trades are showing up. You will never know if the next trade will be a winner or a loser. This is why so many people lose trading. They don't understand what logic in trading means. You don't need any bots or something like that. You just need logic and a stable system. Yeah. So if the price is going to the stop loss, then it was one of the bad ones. But you should take the next signal also. And this is how trading is working. So sit on your hands and do nothing. Sit on your hands and do nothing. Either the trend is going to the stop loss or it's running into the profit. We do nothing. Look again, the numbers. Here we go. Look again the numbers. Yeah. We have a win rate of 65%, ladies and gentlemen. 65%, which means 5 trades round about a day. And you see we have 72% in profit and 38% in loss. But you will never know in which order they show up. That's why you cannot miss a signal. So make sure if you want to trade in 1 minute or in 5 minute or in 2 minute charts that you catch every signal, just jumping in and make a trade is not working. If you want to complete the challenge here on SabioTrade, and if you want to make trading for a living, you need a clear rule approach and not jumping in or follow any stupid bots, something like that. You need to understand what's going on in trading, ladies and gentlemen. And then you have a great chance to make money and to trading for a living. This is how it's working. So nothing to do, ladies and gentlemen, nothing to do. So let's see if we get another signal. Gold. Oh, yeah, gold. Look, 1 minute chart. There is a new signal. Why is it? Let's see, gold. Switch to 1 minute chart. Look, there's a new signal. Why is it? I show you. So, because there is a new trend. There is a new downtrend. So let's change the color. It's now red. So, and sorry, here we go. That's the first trend arm. And that's the second one. Going down, going up. So, and now the correction, let's see how far the correction is going. We measure from 0.2 to 0.3. Yeah, look, we reached 38%. All rules are there. All rules are there already. So that means we can set an order below. Look, there is your change of color. Balance candle change of color is the same, which means you set a pending order short. All rules are there, clear. So close at loss. Look at the last 0.3 is here is 277156. 2771.56. Then we want to risk $200. So now it means around about 10. No, we can do 20 roundabout. No, we can do 22. Yeah, no, let's say 21. No, 10.5. Yeah, 0.6. Here we go. So, and we do the same on the close at the profit. Distance, it's 0.33, 1-in-1 ratio. 0.33, 1 ratio, and place the order. Yeah. So, done. That's all what you have to do. More, it's not more. Yeah. Don't guess, don't gamble, nothing like that, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you have to do. Just learn how to draw the trend. So how you can do this? I show you. Look, if you order, and this is why you should order the pro assessment. Let me see. So you can order the pro assessment, and then interestingly, there is your education. And you see there are many webinars, and there is your platform tutorial. So, oh no, sorry, courses. Sorry, courses. Click on the courses, and there you will find my education course for free. My students had to pay a lot of money. You get it for free if you open a pro account. Yeah, and I give you the link to, if you have not a pro account yet, find the link in the chat right now. Click on this link and open it. And actually you have a discount of 25%. Halloween discount. So click on that link I gave you in the chat, and then you can start. So how to become a funded trader. And then you will see we have what you will learn in that course. Identify and enter a trend. Find the optimal points. Look, lesson. We have 6 lessons here. From zero to hero, how you can become 1 million. The How approach and its rules. A useful trade management and your mindset. How to recognize the trend in a logical way. 1 day in the life of a day trader. And how to become a successful trader. In this course, you get an explanation how this logic, what we do here today, in real is working for free. Just click the link in the chat, open your pro account here on SabioTrade, and get this course for free, and then we start together. And maybe you come to my Discord channel. We will open it today. So next time, if you follow my session again, then we will have a Discord, and then we start with the signal service. You get automated signals on your phone, and you can just transfer it to SabioTrade. So, look what's going on with our British pound US dollar. Yeah. Don't get emotionally, guys. Just accept it that trading is just a zero-sum game. So, and now, guys, I open the secret book for you. I told you 70% win rate, right? It's based on a back test. But back means it's the past. What we do in our community, in Dao family, is we document and we report every single trade. And we do it in an Excel file. You want to see it? I open it. It's normally not for the public, but for you here on SabioTrade, I just do it. Look at this one. This is 1 minute chart. Do you see that? It's awesome. Yeah. So we have Euro, British pound, Euro, dollar, DAX, cable, gold, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500. Yeah. Those Euro, dollar, DAX, pound, gold, and Dow, we are trading since calendar week 29. There we started this project. I do this for many years, but for my community, we started together. So now we are calendar week 34. Guys, that's real trades, not a back test. That's real trades. Yeah. Every single day, at the end of the day, we go through the charts and see, today we had one profit, one loss. Yeah. So tonight I will set in this Excel file, okay, 2 losses and 2 profits and 5 losses here in a row. This coming to the Excel file. So, and now look the numbers. Do you see the numbers? It's awesome. It's really, really awesome. Look at the numbers. The quote here, you see that in euro dollar, we have a quote of 63%. In DAX, 61. In pound, 63. In gold, 53. And in Dow, 58. So the best performers in 1 minute chart and 2 minute charts is the same, by the way, is DAX, euro dollar, and British pound. So, and now you can see we had repeating trades since calendar week 229, round about 395, 332, 298. Yeah. So, and here you can see, for example, how many profits, how many losses. So let's take euro dollar as an example. In calendar week 29, we had 23 profits and 10.5 losses. Guys, do you know what that means? So for example, let me make this calculation for you. So let me make this calculation. So you don't need 1%. Just let's say you take 0.5%, and we have a 50K, which means 50K, 0.5%, $250. Yeah. So we have 23 profits and 10.5, which means we have, let's say 12 leaving profits. 12 multiplied 250 is $3,000. $3,000, guys, after 1 single week. How much money do you need to complete the challenge? 5,000. 3,000 after 1 single week. So in the next week, you had 1 more. In the next week, you had 2 more. And in calendar week number 3, you had 18 profits and just 6 losses. So Remember, 3,000. 18 minus 6, we had 12. 12 profits. 12 multiplied 250 is another 3,000, which means you complete the challenge after round about 4 weeks, just with logical trading, ladies and gentlemen. This is not bullshit. This is stupid, real logical trading. This is what I teach my students every day and what I do for 26 years now. Now you know how trading is working. And guys, that's real numbers. That's what we are doing every day. Or look at this number, calendar week 39, for example. We had 20 profits and just 9 losses, which means we had 11 profits. 11 multiplied 250 is 2,705. And now imagine, just imagine, and not more, never more than 1%. Think about 3% per day you may lose, not more. And now you say, I take 1% profit. It's $500 on a 50K account. 11 multiplied 500 is 5,500. Ladies and gentlemen, in 1 week, you complete the whole challenge. This is trading. This is real trading. This is what I teach all my students every single day. How does that sound for you? Guys, this is real trading. And I'm really glad to can share this with you. So, where is my challenge? Where is my challenge? Here we go. Here's my challenge. So, still working. Yeah, nothing to do. Nothing to do. So let's say about SabioTrade. Let's see gold. I have to. Oh, look. You see, let's see if we can do it. Maybe we go to the profit. Let's see. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care. Yeah, I really don't care because it's just a trend. It's one trade from hundreds of trades you have to do. Yeah, but this is simple, pure logic. It's a 70% win rate. It's trend following. No more, no less. Yeah. So, and about gold, yeah, nothing. We are not in right now. Yeah, there is the entry. Let's see. Let's see what's going on there. So, and here are the other numbers. Let's say you just, it's 1 minute or 2 minutes is too quick for you. Let's say you want to do it in 5 minute chart. Yeah. Look, our best performer is Dow Jones. Look, in Dow Jones, look at this one. In Dow Jones, that's Dow Jones. We have a win rate of 65%. Told you, that's real numbers. It's not a back test. It's a consequence of our real trading. Since calendar week, it's calendar week number 29, we do this. Look, and here you see the numbers. Since calendar week number 29, just 5 minutes, and you see we have roundabout between 0 and let's say 5 signals a week. Just a week. Slowly, calm trading. Get my signals by my signal service. Very soon we start the new project and put it on your Sabio platform. That's all what you have to do. And trust the system. Yeah, trust the system. So let's see. We have during calendar week 29 and last week, calendar week 43, we had 44 profits and 23 losses. So let's calculate. I'm not good in math in the mind. 44, let's see, minus 24, 20 signals. And in 5-minute chart, you can risk 1% because you will never ever 3 or 6 losses or 15 losses in a row. You will never ever have. Never. This is not logic. Yeah. So 20, let's say you take 0.5%. 0.5. It's 250. Sorry. It's, where is it? 20 multiplied 250. 5,000. 5,000. You need 5,000 to complete the challenge on a 50K account. So between calendar week 29 and 43, around about 3 months, in a calm mode, you complete the challenge and you are in real trading. And now imagine another 3 months, you do trading for a living. And now imagine you do this maybe on 4 different accounts or in 5 accounts, and you get 1 million. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how trading is working. And if you do it, yeah, for example, 20 with a 1%, 500, 10,000. 10,000 after 3 months. Ladies and gentlemen, this is when I'm talking about logical trading. How does that sound for you? Huh? This is real trading. So let's see what our trade is doing. Nothing. I will let it go, yeah, and I will show you in 2 weeks. Gold is, I have to restart there. It's the same, doesn't matter. So, and this is gold, not opened yet. Nothing happens for the moment. Yeah. So it's, don't touch the trade, guys. Never ever touch the trade. Never ever. Stop loss or target. Yeah. And I will show you when we see each other the next time. In 2 weeks, we have the next session. But then in the morning, make sure that you follow the YouTube channel here on SabioTrade. And yeah, the best really is to use the link in the chat from SabioTrade. Open your pro account and follow the logic. Open the pro and you get the course. You remember, you get the course here on courses for free. And I teach you how to draw the trend. You see, how to recognize the trend in a logical way. I teach you how to draw the trend. Yeah? And you see the numbers speaks for themselves. Nothing more to say. That's, ladies and gentlemen, is real trading. Yeah. For that, you don't need a bot. Maybe if you want to make it a little bit easier, yeah, then you can book the Telegram or the Discord service for getting the signals, because I put them in the service, the signal service, pre-signal service. And we started next week with the 2-minute charts. It's a little bit slower, and 5-minute, or at the best, yeah, you open here on SabioTrade your accounts, and we do it together. So I hope you learned a little bit. That was real life trading. You see, it's live trading. Gold, we opened the trade yet, and yeah, this is what I'm doing for you guys. Yeah, let's see if we have another trade right now in euro dollar. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there is another trade. Look, there is another trade in euro dollar. In euro dollar, there is another trade starting here. Here we go. Starting here. Give the green color. So that's my first trend arm. Then the trend becomes valid here. Yeah, and a little bit too late right now. Yeah, normally that's why you need to be focused. Yeah, normally you see the entry is here. We have a correction deeper 38, and there is your balance candle. Look, there is your balance candle. That's your balance candle. That's the signal. And the entry is above. Yeah. So, and then the system is always the same. Risk reward ratio 1 and 1. Stop loss there. Yeah. And this distance between the stop loss is the same like to the target. In, out, move away. This is how it really works. Yeah. So I don't open yet because I'm too late now. You see, I need to focus. But this is what works in the signal service. Yeah. Then you get the signal on your account on your phone, and then you can transfer it to the Sabio platform. Guys, that was my part. And let's see what's going on here in the next. If you follow me, and in the next webinar in 2 weeks, then I will open this account again, and then we can continue together, and then you will see the result. Or you check it on your account. It's British pound dollar, 1 minute chart. We need to reach 130.11. Make the number 130.11. Check in on your account after, because we are done right now. Yeah, and then you will see if we reach a target or not. We will see if we reach it. However, guys, that was my part. Thank you very much. I hope you learned a little bit about trading, and I hope we see each other in the next session, and you will follow my signals, and you follow here. Please use the link in the chat to open your own account here on SabioTrade. Or if you want to know more, then it's also simple. Go on my homepage, trading.com. It's here. Wherever you are, you can change it here in English, by the way. Here in English, also available. Yeah, and there you will find the community, education, and everything what you need by the way. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. We are on track. Thank you very much. I wish you a lovely evening. You have to speak in English, please, because I don't know. Oh, let's see. If you go to the profit, let's see. How much do we need? 37, just 4 pips. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Let's see. No, it takes too long. we are done here right now, but you see how it's really working. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you a lovely evening, and I hope we see each other very, very soon. As always, have courage and be kind. Ladies and gentlemen, and may the force of the logic be with you, because this is the way. Thank you very much.